traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So in the pound yen, I'm definitely looking at this as a end of a wave 3. If that's the case, then most likely we are in a wave 4 right now, which likely will end up making some sort of a three-way pattern, probably down to like the 50% fib, because that is a very, very important level, it looks like. But one thing you really have to keep in mind is that if this is a way forward, which I definitely think it is, then it's probably going to take at least probably until next spring of next year before this actually really does end the wave 4 and head back up for the wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I think this first push down is only a wave A of the wave 4, which even though it is spiking, I really don't think it's over yet. I think we got another push down easily. And then it'll probably make a crescent for wave B, and then it'll probably push down again for wave C. This is all going to take a very, very long time to play out because this is the weekly and the monthly time frames. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely do not have a breaker structure to the upside. We definitely don't have any higher lows. I think it's actually very clear this is a 1, 2, 3 right here. We're probably in a wave 4 right now, which is probably likely to stretch out a little bit more before it actually does go down again for a wave 5. And this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave A, which is a wave A of wave 4, I believe. So taking that into consideration, let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here. It looks like it already made an ABC crescent. I mean, it already has 1, 2, 3 waves up right to a Fibonacci level. Definitely looks like the end of a crescent, and it might even just keep on going down from here. The trend is down, and the trend is definitely your friend for sure. But looking at all the yen pairs as correlated pairs, it kind of looks like this move actually is pretty corrective, and it might even go up again before it really does end up going down for real. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So if you are short, I don't think I would get out because it definitely does look like an ABC crescent for sure. And it may actually just continue to make lower lows, lower highs. And as long as it does continue to make lower lows, lower highs on like the 1 hour time frame range, I would stay short and maybe even look for more shorts. But a lot of these yen pairs really look extremely corrective. So if it does break to the upside, I would definitely get out of my shorts and maybe even go long because at that point it would probably go at least to the retest the 38 or maybe even more likely go up to the 50% before it really does end an ABC crescent and continue back down. I definitely think we're in a wave 4. I'm just not really convinced the wave 4 is over. It's probably going to go up a little bit more, probably stop everybody out that is already short before it really does go down and make the wave 5 of wave A, which is a wave A of wave 4 in the much, much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.